guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is another day in my life. This was a beautiful spring Tuesday, and I woke up and had my coffee and oatmeal outside and tried to enjoy the beauty of our yard. I made sure James was getting ready for kindergarten, so he brushed his teeth. And every night he gets a book sent home. It's called the Baggie Book because it's in a plastic bag. And we read it together and we mark it down and we mark whether he read it himself, if we read it, or if he needed some help. And it's just so fun seeing how much he's improved. And then off to the bus stop, I had an errand to run, so he got a head start walking, and then I drove in my car and watched him get on the bus, and then I went to Starbucks. Phil had a late start this day, so I tried to take advantage of that by getting a Starbucks, and you'll see soon I go for a little jog. When I got home, Norma, the baby, was taking a nap, so I took some time to add some oils to my diffuser. This day I did Northern Lights Black Spruce and Peace and Calming. I don't think I've ever done that mixture before, and it was a good one. And then I went ahead and made my bed. If you're new to my channel, my son has ADHD, and shameless plug, I recently posted on YouTube a morning meditation for moms of children with ADHD. So I went ahead and found it, that's it right there, and sat down and did this quick meditation, and it has just been so helpful. Baby Norma woke up from her first nap, so I nursed her, changed her, and put her in her outfit of the day. It was quite hot this day, so just a simple onesie, our little cute cloth diaper, and of course, a baby turban on her head. Since Phil had a late start to work on this day, I decided to take advantage and go for a quick jog. And I also wanted to get it done in the morning because it was going to be really hot later that afternoon. So I think this is only like my 5th jog post-pregnancy. So I just take it really easy and do 20 minutes and go super slow, like I think 11-minute miles. But some is better than none, and I'm enjoying slowly getting back into some longer cardio. you can see my face is super red. I get really red when I run outside. But I had to show you this. So cute. When I got home, Phil was reading Are You My Mother to the baby. That is one of my favorite books. I flat out cry when I read that book. It is so cute. Breakfast time. I made a green smoothie on this morning. I've been loving green smoothies lately. I've honestly loved them for a long time, but especially with having a baby, they are both pretty easy to pull together, but also easy to eat. You just take it around and sip it with you, and it's just such a good, filling, and nutritious breakfast. Pretty sure I fed the baby, changed her, and got some makeup on, and I filmed a video. This was my flying solo with a newborn video, and I can link that above and below if you're interested. For Mother's Day, I got a SodaStream, and I am so obsessed. I love it. It's one of my favorite gifts I think that I've ever gotten. It's super easy, as you can see here. You just fill up these bottles with water and push a button on top, I think 5 or 6 times, and it makes your water bubbly and delicious. We have 3 bottles, and honestly, we go through all 3 every day. I sometimes like to add a little flavoring with my Young Living Vitality oils. So these are FDA approved for internal consumption. I only do 1 drop. It looks like it was 3, but I just couldn't get the drop in there. But I did 1 drop of orange Vitality on this day. And that lovely bubbly water, I first filled it up with ice and I drink it with my straw. I'm a Diet Coke addict. I don't know if you guys know that, but this is really helping me. Norma and I did some errands, which included going to Once Upon a Child. Because my son was born at a different time of the year, I'm realizing I don't have a lot of spring and summer clothes in her size, so I picked up these really cute outfits. I think they were 17 bucks total. And then already time for our afternoon walk before we go to the bus stop to get James. So I got her set in the ergo, and I'm listening to Cold. It's re-looking at the investigation of the missing case of Susan Powell. And I was always interested in that news story. So I'm listening to that, and such a beautiful spring day. I stopped and took some pictures of the beautiful blooming trees around our neighborhood. You gotta stop and enjoy this stuff. And then we got James, and he says, "Can I hold baby Norma?" It just makes my heart so happy to see the 2 of them together. All of his paperwork that he brought home from kindergarten and read his biggie book together. And then we had a pretty low-key night. Phil worked late because he had a late start, and so I kind of stopped filming right now. The nighttime's hard, so it's hard to film when I'm home alone, but I'd love to get Phil's help to do a nighttime routine up on my channel soon. Thumbs up if you would like to see that. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.